Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tune into the Crypto Flight Edition. It is your fellow compositor speaking. Today is this month is a monumental month for BTC. With the exception of it making all-time highs, reaching levels that it has never seen in the history, it's actually up against one of many additional monumental moments that it could potentially make this month in April. Find out exactly what I'm talking about in this video. Loyal subscribers, welcome back. If you're new, consider joining us on this interesting journey. Let's dive into the monthly charts to see if we can find a pattern that has taken place in the history and see if BTC will be breaking that pattern this month. Let's dive into the charts, shall we? All right, so today's April the 5th, 2021, and the current price of BTC is going to be $58,777.39. It's down approximately 0.5%, fluctuating there for the day. Okay. Welcome back, everyone. It's some more interesting analysis. So this will be a pretty straightforward video. What we're going to do is we're looking at the TradingView.com Bitstamp chart, and this is what I was able to find on the chart. BTC monthly candles. Okay, what we're focusing on this video is how many times has BTC closed a consecutive green candle in history, and will it actually do the same thing that it has done in the past? Or will it break the cycle within the current level or, the price activity that's going on present day? Let's reveal the charts here. All right, that's it. Really simple. Ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at 6 consecutive green monthly candles. Started all the way back in April 2012. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 monthly candles ending in September 2012. And the following month was a red sell candle. So that's all we're focusing on. We're focusing on how many green consecutive monthly candles BTC closed before it closed a red sell candle. So we're just going to go over here on the next example, and the same thing. These were the only two ranges that I was able to identify with 6 monthly candles to close. This is a green candle started here in November 2012. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and again April 2013, followed by a red sell candle circled in yellow. So these were the only two areas, according to, again, the Bitstamp chart, TradingView.com, I was able to verify 6 consecutive monthly green candles followed by a red sell candle. Let's go on over here. What I also found was it's not 6 monthly candles, but I actually found 2 areas with 5 monthly candles followed by a sell monthly candle. So if you can see here, started in April 2017, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ended in August 2017, followed by, of course, this yellow circle, the red sell candle. That's 5 months. And this is the last example here. This is more closer to present day. The last time we had 5 monthly consecutive green candles started back in February the 1st, 2019, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ended in June 2019, followed by a red sell candle. That was 5 months. Now let's go over to present day where we are. Now this is where it gets pretty interesting. Notice I have 7 months with the question mark because we're currently have a developing candle, which is here. It's just a doji for now, but of course there's still 24 days of this candle to develop. So I mean, anything can happen, right? It could blast off to the upside, it could go down. But the reason that I have the question mark there is obviously because, well, not obviously, but 7 months with the question mark is, will BTC make history this month and close 7 green consecutive monthly candles? So that's the monumental moment that I think BTC is currently up against right now. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Will BTC close a green monthly candle, 7 consecutive monthly candle, breaking history for the price levels and making 7 consecutive green monthly candles? Let me know what you think down in the comment section. I personally think I need like maybe 2 or 3 more weeks of price action to determine this. The $60,000 level is a pretty important level for BTC. I need to see how it reacts to that level, if it's going to get a test or an obliteration of that level. So I need a little bit more price action for me to determine whether or not BTC will make history this month. I thought this was pretty interesting. Let me know down in the comment section. What do you think will BTC do this month? Will BTC make history? 7 monthly candles? Let me know that down in the comment section. Just get a discussion going, guys. And that's pretty much it. There's one last thing. It's kind of a bonus that I wanted to do for you guys. If we pull up the Bollinger Bands, I actually wanted to pull up the Bollinger Bands to show you guys that the monthly candles, it's a very extreme move. I realize BTC is in a bull market right now, But if you pull up the Bollinger Bands, you actually notice that the monthly candles are literally closing outside of the Bollinger Bands. This actually took place in the bull market as well. But I just want to kind of give you, just let you see how extreme this price activity is taking place. I don't know if you guys can actually see that, the top lip of this Bollinger Band right here. Let's just make it a little bit more thicker so you can see it here. And for those who don't understand, like, what are Bollinger Bands, it's just basically the price activity, a high percentage, I forget exactly what the percentage is, but a very high percentage of the price activity typically takes place within the Bollinger Band, like within this range here, right? But the price action is actually just it's literally like floating outside of the Bollinger Bands. And I think it's actually using the upper lip where it should be within. It's using it as support and it's just kind of blasting off to the upside. I just wanted to kind of point this out as a bonus that the monthly candles, I'm not sure if anyone's actually noticed this just yet, but the monthly candles on the Bollinger Bands are they're like riding the top of this Bollinger Band. That's some pretty extreme price activity, guys. Let's let this play out. I guess I'll give you guys an update every so often, every week, or every other day. We're covering BTC pretty often, but at least a few times a week. I need about 2 to 3 weeks to understand a potential direction. Let's let this play out, and that's pretty much all I have for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment to support the channel with the YouTube algorithm. If you're new, before you go, we'd like to send you more information pertaining to the traditional markets. We cover that 7 days a week. We'd love for you to join us here on this interesting journey. Welcome to the charts here. So that's it, guys. I'm not going to take any more of your time. Take care of yourselves, protect your portfolios, execute your strategies. We're going to talk soon, and bye for now.